Welcome to our Wellness Wednesday with the Atomy Marinduque Global Center. And our featured product for this week is the Atomy Adam Cleanser. So this is primarily promoted as a feminine wash, but I like this product because it is plant-based. This cleanser has eight Oriental herb ingredients, very powerful. So I call it an all-around cleanser. So if you remove it from the box like this, yan, you would notice that there's a lock. So do not throw this away. You can actually use it to lock it again. O, diba? You just have to twist it to unlock and then twist it again to lock. And then if you're traveling, put it back and it will not drip with your clothes. So very amazing. Okay. So in your channel, Atomy, or if you log into your shopping mall, atomy.com/ph, click the product, you should see specific details about this product. And in your channel, Atomy, so ch.atomy.com/ph, there's a PowerPoint presentation and I would like to share it with you. And let's deep dive kung ano ba tong Atomy Adam Cleanser. So you type in Adam Cleanser and you should see the PowerPoint presentation. That's 6 pages. Okay. Adam Cleanser. It's a clean care system, 8 natural herbs, oriental herbs, and natural aroma. Okay, isa-isahin natin maya-maya. And in the Philippines, this would only cost you 270 pesos for one container. It's about 200 ml. And it will give you 1,800 point value. Very generous si Atomy. It's giving you a lot of points. So imagine if you're a member and if you are using this, o, diba? 1.5 per 1 ml of this cleanser. Ang sabi niya, 1.5 per 1 ml. Okay, dinivide niya yung volume. Okay. So, very matipid kasi counting pump lang. I would typically apply it 30 minutes before stepping onto the shower to the private part. Kasi medyo malamig siya, very cooling, hindi siya mabula, but yet very powerful in removing the bad odor or deodorizing, o diba? It is a cleanser that maintains your sensitive private area healthy and refreshed. Bakit? Kasi it has 8 fresh natural herbs extract, has oriental herb complex. It also has mandarin essential oil from clean soil and the natural apple aroma. So yung combination nila actually will give you that fresh feeling. So itong 8 natural herbs, okay, I searched them quickly para lang sa overview kung ano to yung mga halaman at mga herbs na to. Okay, first is the chamomile. This is actually known for its soothing properties and it helps reduce the irritation. O, diba? So, very sensitive yung private part natin, lalo na sa mga ladies. Kaya, napakaganda. Rosemary. It offers natural antiseptic benefits. So, antiseptic parang antibacterial, diba? Okay. Next is the lavender. It provides a calming aroma and gentle cleansing. And then the marshmallow. This moisturizes and soothes sensitive skin. The Houtonia cordata. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It contains natural antibacterial properties. And then the basil, o hindi lang para sa lutuin, no? Nakalahok din sa ating cleanser. It acts as a natural cleanser with antimicrobial benefits. And then fennel helps in maintaining skin elasticity and tone. And then the Centella asiatica promotes skin healing and reduces inflammation. So, napakaganda kasi yung combination ng products or combination nitong flowers and herbs na to. Talagang alam mo na may antimicrobial, antibacterial, soothing, anti-inflammatory. O, diba? And then yung essential oil extract from the apple and the mandarin, yun yung scent na nagbibigay na mabango. And then it removes the unpleasant odor. So, very simple. Yan yung makikita nyo sa channel Atomy. At even without the PowerPoint presentation, pag ginamit nyo siya, iba yung ano pakiramdam. I-compare nyo dun sa brand P at saka brand L. Walang katulad. Sobrang ganda. In all honesty, when I started using this, at the end of the day, nakakahiyaman po aminin, I would smell my underwear. And then lagi sinasabi ng hubby ko, ang gross naman, bakit mo inaamoy? Kasi in nursing or sa school, you can find out if someone has an infection, depende sa smell. But you'll be amazed that consistently using the Adam cleanser would give you that fresh feeling, fresh scent, hindi mag-aamoy mapanghe. Okay, so I hope the ladies out there would sympathize or maintindihan, maunawaan sinasabi ko. But this cleanser is not only for the females out there, okay? So, sino pa mga pwedeng gumamit nito? Of course, everyone can use this, especially dun sa mga may problema sa body odor. So, you can use it in your armpit, sa nagpapawis na kamay, sa may alipunga, sa nagpapawis na paa, sa kasingit-singitan, private part, ayan, pwede, okay? If you have yung ano, sobrang daming acne na hindi maalis ng ibang facial wash. Try to apply this for 30 minutes. Very soothing kasi malamig siya sa pakaramdam. And then yung centella extract niya would actually help calm down yung redness ng skin nyo. And then another use is if you have an infected wound, lalo na sa mga diabetic, sa may sugat, mahirap gumaling ang sugat. Pag sinasabo nyo, di ba, sobrang hapde. Apply this product kasi clear lang siya. Let's see kung mag-pump. Bago kasi to. Ayan. Very clear lang. I-apply lang dun sa sugat. Leave it for a few minutes. And then rinse it after 30 minutes. Ayan. Ibabad nyo lang yung sugat nyo. So, I hope makatulong to sa inyo kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang produkto na effective, not only as a feminine wash, but as an all-around cleanser. And you'll be amazed na napakaganda niya. Very soothing, very gentle in cleaning, and makakatulong na ma-disinfect or um, matulungan yung mga inflamed areas, especially the sensitive parts of your body. So try it now. You can log into your app, go to your shopping mall. Out of stock at this time, but I hope you'll consider watching it in the future. So pag nag-restock dyan sa Philippines or here in the USA, make sure you get it. It's a must sa lahat ng babae definitely and sa lahat na gusto ng mabisang cleanser. Okay? Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something. I love you all. Bye.